Hi everyone. Hi sir. Are you all ready? Yes sir. So today we are going to discuss about IQ. How many of you are interested to know what is IQ and how can you measure your IQ level and what is IQ in fact? Everyone? Yes sir. Very good. So first of all, we will know what is the full form of IQ. In fact, IQ means intelligence quotient, and it is directly related to the capacity of thinking, our ability to think, our ability to decide, and our ability to take decisions. Okay, this is completely related to our caliber. Suppose there is a problem here occurs in this classroom and you all are sitting here and I tell you all that please solve this problem. This is the problem that I'm giving to all of you and you have to solve this problem. Clear? So everyone starts trying. Okay, you also try, she also tries, he also tries. Everyone is trying to solve this problem, and out of this 32 students sitting here, everyone is trying his or her level best. But 25 became failure. 25 didn't do that. 25 of you could not solve this problem. But you tried your level best. And if you could not solve it, doesn't mean that you are not a good man, you don't have good mentality and you are not intelligent. But this is the reality that we are going to disclose. Okay. And out of 32, 25 could not solve this problem, but 7. Yeah. What I'm telling, 7 of you, means 7 students sitting in this hall are capable and able to solve that problem. It means they applied their mind and brain and they solved that problem. It means their IQ level is good. And I'm not telling that those who could not solve this problem, their IQ level is not good. But in comparison to all those 7 students, yeah, really your IQ level is a little bit low, but you can improve also. It doesn't matter. Okay, this is an example that I have cited here, that I have given example. But mathematically, if you want to check your IQ level, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. How can I check my IQ level, or how can I measure my IQ level?
Oh, how can you check your IQ level? How can you measure your IQ level? When I told you that 25 of you could not solve this problem, you became angry and you became worried, no? That why my IQ level is less? How can I find out my IQ level? How can I measure my IQ level? What is my IQ level? And how his IQ level is more than my IQ level? What is the reason behind it? And what is the fact that everyone wants to know? Is it or not? How many of you want to know and how many of you want to measure your IQ level? Everyone? Very good. So now listen to me carefully. It is very interesting that I'm going to discuss now. If you want to measure your IQ level, you need 2 things here, 2 types of ages. One is chronicle age and one is mental age. One is chronicle age and another is mental age. Now you might be thinking that what are these 2 chronicle ages and mental age? Yeah, really. I'll tell you now. How old are you?
22.
Yeah, 22. Okay, very good. It means your chronicle age is 22. The real age of a man is chronicle age. Okay, or the age of a man since his childhood till now is his or her chronicle age. How old are you? 25. Okay. So your chronicle age is what? 25. Keep in mind that whatever is my age, what is my real age is my chronicle age. And what is your real age? That is your chronicle age. Okay. So one age we need chronicle age. And another age is mental age. Now what is mental age? Mental age is the capacity, ability, capability, potential to think, to apply mind, to decide, to assess. Okay, if a man is of 25 years, okay, and he is thinking, his capacity to think is of 40 years, just like 40-year people, it means his mental age is 40. If a boy is studying in class 8 or 9 and he's 14 year, 13 year, okay, and he's solving the mathematics of graduation, he's solving the problems of graduation, it means he has capacity to think over that much. His ability is to think up to that level. It means being 14 or 15 year, he is able to think of that level. Of what level? Of 17 or 18 year students. It means his mental age is 18 years. Okay. If your thinking capacity, if your thinking ability is more than your real age, then that capacity, that ability up to which age you are thinking is your mental age. Mental age is the age which enables us to think up to that level, and chronicle age is our real age. Okay, so these two things you must know, mental age and chronicle age. And now if you want to measure your IQ, then you will have to divide your mental age by your chronicle age. It means mental age by chronicle age, and you have to multiply it by 100. Okay, suppose you are 20 and this is your chronicle age, because you are 20 means this is your chronicle age, and your thinking capacity is just like a man of 25. It means your mental age is 25 and your chronicle age is 20. So you have to divide 25 by 20. So 25 by 20 into 100, and what comes, that is your IQ level. It means 25 by 20, that is equal to 1.25. That comes 1.25. Okay, so 1.25 into 100, that is 125. So 125 is your IQ value. Now you have to think that if my IQ value has come 125, then what type of IQ I have? Good, bad or average? So there is a criteria, there is a parameter that you have to understand, that if your IQ level is more than 110, if your IQ value is more than 110, your IQ is good, your IQ is fine, better. And more than 130, if your IQ is more than 130, then you are a man of excellent IQ. You are a man of excellent IQ. And if your IQ is between 85 and 110, 85 and 110, then this is average IQ. And if your IQ value is less than 85, if your IQ value is less than 85, it means your level of your IQ is very poor. Okay, so I think now it becomes very easy for you to find out your IQ. Here the main question arises that how can you find your mental age? No. So in order to find mental age, there is a test related to this mental age. There are certain questions that you have to answer. Sometimes we see that a man is of 30, being 30 years, his capacity to think is of 20 years. So he's thinking just like a 20-year person, 20-year man thinks. So his mental age is 20. So here his mental age is less than his chronicle age. And certainly his IQ value will go less than 85 and he's a man of poor IQ level. Okay. And sometimes we see that a boy who is 7 years old, he's thinking just like a man of age 20. So certainly his mental age is more than his chronicle age, and if you calculate his IQ value will come more than 110. So this is the reality of IQ. I think that you must have understood what is IQ and how we can measure this IQ level. Thank you very much.